Hello traders, it's Dan Gibby, and in this Master Trader Weekly Trade Review, I'm going to show you a great setup of ours where it's called a Master Trader Sell Setup, and it's used to short reversals in downtrends. All of our patterns work the same on any time frame, long and short, any instrument. We're technical-based traders. This is our approach to trading and investing. Everything starts with price, meaning a compelling pattern. No setup, no trade, end of story. We're looking at the candlesticks, the combination of those, and then we take that picture and we say, okay, well, where is that in the trend? What do multiple time frame analysis tell us? That increases the probability of our bias playing out as intended. Is the trade on support or resistance? Is it showing relative strength or weakness? Volume's a secondary piece of information. If it's there, it's a plus. If not, it doesn't matter. What are the broader markets and our bias with the internals? Once we have a compelling setup, you merely just calculate position size per your trading plan, enter, and manage in between. That's all it is. This is a Master Trader buy and sell setup. You're going to see how simple I'm going to keep this. And these are in trending markets. So an uptrend is higher pivot highs, higher pivot lows. A Master Trader buy setup is we're looking for retracements to support. This is minor support, a prior high. And then we're looking for these pictures of reversals on minor support. And then we enter over the reversal, stop under the reversal, manage in between. And you can see I just keep it simple here. There's no names here. This is a bullish reversal. This is a bullish reversal. It just happened with a different arrangement of candlesticks. What I'm going to show you today is a Master Trader sell setup. It's the opposite of this. I want a quality downtrend, which is lower pivot highs, lower pivot lows. I'm looking for retracements and reversals at minor resistance. Pictures of selling. These are different pictures, identical meaning. It bounced and reversed at resistance in a downtrend. Before I show you the trade that we did recently, many people they can understand bullish patterns, and then when I show them the exact opposite and say, okay, we can short it, it's just not as clear to them. So this was a trade we did last week. So we'll start here on the bullish side. This is actually a short fund, so it's an inverse, so to speak. It's an inverse of this one, but let's start with this pattern. This got oversold, double bottom, deep retracement, big old red bar ignored, bullish engulfing. We actually call this a bear sandwich, and it has a price void. So this is a bullish pattern. Then I have a 180 reversal. Now I have it broke out. And now I have a bullish 1, 2, 3 continuation with a price void. So somebody taking my partner Greg Capra's swing trading course on technical analysis is they could follow everything I just said and said, yep, bullish, 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 I get it. And then when I say, okay, well, let's short this one over here, the ARC Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, the ARQ. And I do the same thing. Look, downtrend, it's under the 20 and the 50. I got a 180 reversal. I got a wide range breakdown. I got a bearish 1, 2, 3 with a price void. And for some reason, psychologically, the long side is easier for them to diagnose than the short side. But look, our patterns are the same, whether you're long or short. You just flip them over, and on all time frames, all instruments. So that brings us to the trade I want to show you here. The Master Trader sell setup. So we have a downtrend. All our charts are this simple: color-coded candlesticks, volume, and a couple simple moving averages. The short term is blue 20, 50, longer term red 200. So even though I'm going to focus on this sell setup here, there was actually a couple other beautiful short setups here. This one right here, you can see the trend is rolling over. This is a 180 reversal after a breakdown. That was very shortable. Here we had a bullish bounce, went sideways. We had a breakout failure, a closing wide range breakdown. That was a beautiful trade. And now that brings us to this pattern, a sell setup, which we just went over on the first slide. It's a retracement and reversal at resistance. Moving averages are what we call visual aids to speed up the process. But you can see that the 50 and 200 are sloping down. That's where it reversed, which is in alignment with objective resistance. It's a closed trade now, but this is what our subscribers see in the closed spread trade sheet. And so we shorted the stock. All of our trade ideas are in the same format. We give you the stock, the date, the strategy, whether it's stock or option, the technical setup, stop loss, and management in between. So look, this is exactly what you just learned here. A sell setup in a bearish, wide range, engulfing bar at resistance and the 50-200 MA. That's just a plus. So we shorted the low of that. We just went into simple trail mode, so we trail over a prior bar's high. We didn't even let it pivot against us just because it had earnings coming up in a few days. And we booked 8% return on 4 days. That's what swing trading's all about. 2 to 10 day typical holding patterns, using our high probability setups, enter, manage in between. It's that simple. If you want to learn how to trade these patterns yourself, go to mastertrader.com/education. If you're beginning to trading, you can click this button. Since our option trading is still based on the technicals, I encourage everybody to start with Greg's course here, Master Trader Swing Trading course, and then we have the directional and income strategy where we sell options around these compelling patterns, and check out the mini courses also. Hope that helped, and email Greg or me as always with any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.